5 things you can turn to a lot of money in the next 12 months. When it comes to money, most people look for it where it is not. Some think they need their employers to give them more money, while others think it's the fault of the government or the economy that they don't have enough money. But here's the truth. Your wealth is inside of you. Nobody can make you rich but you. And most times, all you have to do is to turn what you already have into money. In this video, we'll be sharing with you 5 things you can turn to money, and we hope some of them help you to be a richer person in the next 12 months. If you're new here, consider subscribing so you won't miss other interesting videos like this. Number 1. Turn your time to money. One of the wisest human beings to ever live, Benjamin Franklin, said, "Time is money, and you better believe that. If you have time, you shouldn't lack money." But there's a problem. The problem is most people in this generation don't really understand what time is. To many people, time is the clock, the 24 hours and nothing more. Sorry, it's beyond that. Your time is your life. Your time is the most important asset God gave you. Your time is the most valuable resource you will ever have. Your time is the only thing you need to become wealthy. So, how do you turn your time to wealth? First, sit down and see how much things you're wasting time on. The TV, the gossip, the social media. If you're honest with yourself, you'll see that you're wasting several hours every day. One of the richest men to ever live, Henry Ford, said, "It has been my observation that most people get ahead during the time that others waste." The same 2 hours you wasted on Instagram yesterday was the same 2 hours someone used to read a financial book that showed him how he can start his own business. The same 20 hours you wasted last week on reality shows and Netflix is the same hours someone used to master a new skill that will make him a more valuable employee. After you've realized how much you waste time, the next thing you should do is to invest your time profitably. Start by investing your time on reading good financial books instead of wasting them on social media or reality shows. Invest your time by starting a part-time business. Make mistakes, fail, learn, and grow. Invest your time by trying new things that will give you a new insight into life and make you a better person. I know you have some ideas and you've spent all these years complaining and procrastinating. Change that now and spend 5 hours every week to do something about your idea. Cut off all means by which your time is being wasted and get productively busy. From my experience, the number 1 cause of poverty is time wastage. You can't possibly invest your time right and be poor. So if you want to change your financial situation in the next 12 months, change the way you spend your time. Number 2. Turn problems to wealth. Some times ago, I noticed that the government of my country was paying attention to the agriculture sector, and this has inspired so many people to want to start agri-related business. But there was a problem. They have no one to train them. I put up a system and used the website to connect those who need training with those who are qualified to give training. That business is still making me money till today. Jack Ma said, "Opportunity is in the place of problem." If you want to change your financial situation in the next 12 months, I'll advise you pay attention to how you can make someone's life better. Zig Ziglar said, "You can have everything you want in life if you help enough other people get what they want." I know the process is not easy, but if you look closely enough, you'll figure out how to solve a problem and monetize it. If you're wondering what people's problems are, listen to what they complain about. Number 3. Turn your skills to wealth. Have you ever seen someone dancing and making more money than a banker? Have you ever seen someone singing and making more money than everyone? Have you ever seen someone writing and making hundreds of thousands of dollars? You ever seen someone making money by cracking jokes? You ever seen someone making money by speaking? I'm a writer. I've written about 9 books in the last 5 years. Some are bad, while some are making me money almost every week. What valuable skills do you have? If you think you don't have valuable skills, what valuable skills can you acquire? Would you read few books about how you can monetize your skills? Would you learn from someone who has already monetized a similar skill? I mean, you shouldn't be poor if you have valuable skills. And if you think you don't have any valuable skills, you can invest your time to get some. Number 4. Turn your internet presence to wealth. Because I'm a selfish person, I hate it when my efforts make someone else rich. Okay, that wasn't what I wanted to say. Because I'm business minded, I always see everything from the business perspective. Now you're using the internet and enjoying it. But do you know how much money your internet usage is making for some other people? Do you know how much you've made for Instagram in the last 1 year? Do you know how much you've made for Google, Facebook and YouTube in the last 12 months? Most people have no idea. And don't get me wrong, it's not a bad thing to make money for other companies that make our lives easier. But it's a bad thing when you're seeing everything from the consumer's perspective. Listen, Instagram is an asset for you. Facebook, Google and YouTube can make you more money than your present job is paying you. But you have to stop seeing these platforms as a consumer. Start seeing all these internet assets as an entrepreneur, and your financial life will change within the next 12 months. Ask yourself, what can I sell on eBay? How can I use Instagram to promote my business? How do people make money from YouTube? Devote 2 hours and use search engines to learn about all these questions and be willing to take actions. Don't just use the internet to wind away time. Turn your internet presence to money. I'm sorry, I don't see the internet as an instrument of pleasure or entertainment. If I can't make money on the internet, I don't care about using it. Number 5. Turn your networks to money. I left my office last Friday to visit a friend who is also an entrepreneur. I spent about 2 hours with him discussing nothing but business and ideas. During our discussions, he showed me a software he was about to use for one of his businesses. This software happens to be doing what I'm about to employ someone to do, 50 times cheaper and 10 times faster than how any human can do it. Wow, I felt like someone just gave me $1 million. That's the power of network. Grant Cardone said, if you don't like your net worth, check your network. If you don't like your financial situation, just look around and see people you hang around. Your network can be turned to wealth, provided you make friends with the right people and spend time with them. Many of us have good people in our lives, but we are too busy to spend time with them. That's one of the reasons for poverty. Log out of social media, sacrifice the Netflix and go out to meet with valuable people. Have face-to-face talk, discuss life, business and ideas. Your whole life could be transformed by a single meaningful discussion with other valuable individuals. In summary, I advise you spend the next 12 months to look inwards and stop expecting any external force to help you. Your time is your life. Stop wasting it. Invest your time on productive things. Sacrifice time to read meaningful books. Pay attention to what people complain about and see how you can turn some problems to wealth. Learn how to turn your skills to money or acquire some valuable skills. Don't just use the internet for fun. Turn your internet presence to money by using different internet platforms to sell your products, services, or skills. Network with creative and positive individuals who can inspire you with their ideas and insights. Thank you very much for watching our video. We'd like to give you another interesting video for you to enjoy next. But before then, our team will be very happy if you can like this video and share it with your friends on social media. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe so you won't miss other interesting videos like this. Look at your screen now to see 2 other videos we handpicked for you to enjoy next. We love you.